introduction. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing future trends in financial management, the role of SAP FI. As we look ahead to 2025, the financial landscape is evolving rapidly, driven by technological advancements and changing consumer expectations. We'll explore how SAP FI is positioned to adapt to these trends and enhance financial management in organizations. The evolving financial landscape. The financial management sector is undergoing significant transformation due to various factors. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. These technologies are becoming integral in automating processes, improving data accuracy, and enabling predictive analytics for better decision-making. Sustainable finance. There is a growing emphasis on green finance and ESG, environmental, social, and governance, investing, pushing organizations to adopt sustainable practices in their financial operations. Embedded finance. This trend involves integrating financial services into non-financial platforms, providing seamless customer experiences and expanding access to financial products. The role of SAP FI in future financial management. 1. Enhanced automation. SAP FI will leverage advanced automation capabilities to streamline financial processes. Robotic process automation (RPA) will handle repetitive tasks such as invoice processing and reconciliation, allowing finance teams to focus on strategic initiatives. Intelligent document processing (AI-powered tools will improve data extraction from unstructured documents, enhancing the accuracy of financial reporting. 2. Real-time financial insights. With the increasing demand for real-time data, SAP FI will play a crucial role in providing immediate insights into financial performance. Dynamic reporting. Organizations will benefit from real-time dashboards that reflect current financial positions, enabling quicker decision-making. Predictive analytics. By utilizing AI and ML, SAP FI can analyze historical data to forecast future trends, helping businesses plan more effectively. 3. Integration with other technologies. The integration of SAP FI with emerging technologies will enhance its functionality. Blockchain technology. Incorporating blockchain can improve transparency and security in transactions, making it easier to track financial activities across the supply chain. Open banking. As open banking standards evolve, SAP FI will enable organizations to connect with various financial service providers seamlessly. 4. Focus on sustainability. As sustainability becomes a priority, SAP FI will help organizations track their environmental impact. ESG reporting. Enhanced features for ESG reporting will allow companies to monitor their sustainability initiatives and report on them effectively. Green finance solutions. SAP FI will support organizations in adopting green finance practices through better tracking of investments in sustainable projects. Conclusion. As we move towards 2025, the role of SAP FI in financial management will become increasingly vital. By embracing automation, real-time insights, technological integration, and sustainability practices, organizations can navigate the evolving financial landscape effectively. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more discussions on future trends in finance. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.